everyone, welcome to day 5 of quarantine. Salons are shut down, so I'm sure some of you have shaggy bangs. So I'm going to teach you how to trim your own bangs at home. You're going to need a comb, a clip, and if you have hairdressing shears, that's amazing, use them. Most people don't. So you're going to want to find the sharpest, thinnest shear you can find. Anything fatter is going to make your life really difficult. So we're going to start by sectioning off our bang. If you already have bangs in your hair, try to follow what your hairdresser has already put in there. It'll make life easier. If you don't, you're going to make a triangle section and you want to start a little bit back from your hairline, depending on how thick you want your bang. You can go an inch, maybe a little bit more. For a really heavy bang, you could go pretty far up, but don't get too crazy. And angle it down towards your temples to get a nice triangle section. You're going to section off the bottom ½ inch of your bang. This will turn into the guide for the rest of your haircut. Choose the length you'd like to cut your bangs. If you're unsure, eyebrow level is a great place to start. Once you've picked a length, cut in a straight line, leaving about an inch on either side for blending later. Remember to take it nice and slow since we'll be following these lines for the rest of the haircut. To blend the bang into the rest of your haircut, you're going to angle your shears at 45 degrees and cut up towards your bang diagonally. After cutting, make sure to double check that both sides are the same length. Take down the next section of hair, making sure it's thin enough to still see your guide, and follow the lines you just created. Repeat this with each section until the entire bang is cut to your guidelines. If you like a heavy bang, congratulations, you're done. If you want a softer or textured bang, we're going to do what's called point cutting. Once again, take thin horizontal sections and turn your shears so that you're making small vertical cuts into the ends of the hair only. This is a tricky technique and it's easy to overdo, so it's best to make small cuts and do more as needed. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any more questions, you can find us on Instagram at foundations_hair and makeup.